in our time.
Achieving world peace is impossible. So long as humans roam the world, conflict is inevitable. Take a look at history, and you will find that humans are repeatedly committing the same atrocities, only at different places, different times. For example, the Boer War, then the Vietnam War, then the Iraq War, Hitler, then Stalin, then Kim Jong-un. Has the world ever been at peace? Well, actually, the answer is yes. Over the past 3,400 years, humans have been entirely at peace for 8% of that time. So what does this mean? Does this poor figure render the struggle of thousands of peace organisations futile? Or should we take it as incentive to believe that one day we can eradicate conflict from this world? This vision, this dream of ours is easily defeated by the prospect of erasing conflict from this world, especially when all the decisions seem to be being made for us by all the world leaders. This makes us feel impotent, like we can't do anything. But we can, by starting small and working within our communities before anything else. First and foremost, exercise a form of patience within you that commits to non-violence. Encourage yourself to make the peaceful response instead of responding brashly, because peace is jeopardized when we choose the reactionary response over the diplomatic one. Learning to be more tolerant is the solution, because the alternative is to allow anger and hate to blind you into hurting the people around you. Therefore, making this personal commitment to non-violence is the most important thing you can do to promote peace. Second, remember that the people around you are also human. Why, when we see someone in need of help, do we ignore them? We pretend we don't see them, as if they're some historical leper to be avoided. Too many of us, when we see someone who is lost, confused, or upset, will simply walk away. Peace isn't just the absence of violence, it's harmony. So, when you see someone struggling with their shopping bags, maybe someone crying on the bus or train, or someone being verbally abused in public, give them a shoulder to cry on, give them a hand, jump to their defense. It doesn't matter their race, religion, or gender. Love has no labels. That brings me on to my third point. Speak out against discrimination when you see it. Prejudice is one of the greatest enemies of peace. These labels are what make us clash. Religion, disability, gender, race. The notorious black and blue / white and gold dress, which took over our media recently, demonstrated this quite nicely, actually. The popularity of this phenomenon was based upon people's groundbreaking realization that perception can vary. What we think we see may be different to what others see. Perhaps this can extend to making us question our perceptions of other things we see too. Remember, we are strong because of our diversity. Don't condemn an entire social group because of the actions of others. Don't let diversity become a source of conflict. Finally, have faith that good in the world is abundant. We managed to stay entirely at peace for 268 years. Only 8% of recorded time, yes. But it proves that if we were able to achieve world peace then, we should be able to achieve total peace around us. So, I reiterate the earlier question. Is it possible that if humanity tries, really tries, we can not only achieve peace within our communities, but once again throughout the world? I'm going to finish with a quote by Robert Fulghum. Peace is not something you wish for. It is something you make, something you are, something you do, and something you give away. Thank you.